Okay, thank you for moderator. On the occasion of this webinar, let's talk about mental health. What is mental health? Good mental health is a condition when our mind is a calm and calm state, allowing us to enjoy everyday life and appreciate others around us. A person who is mentally healthy can use these abilities or potential to the fullest in facing life challenges as well as establishing positive relationship with other people. Conversely, people whose mental health is disturbed will experience disturbance in mood, thinking skills, and emotional control, which can ultimately lead to bad behavior. Mental illness can cause problems in everyday life. Not only can damage interaction or relationship with other people, but can also reduce performance in school and work productivity. Therefore, it is time for us to run a healthy lifestyle. There are several type of mental health problem, and the following are the two most common types of condition. Stress is condition when a person experiences very high pressure both emotionally and mentally. Someone who is stressed will usually appear themselves anxious and irritable. Stress can also interfere with concentration, reduce motivation, and curtail cause depression. Stress can not only affect the psychology of the sufferer, but can also have an impact on the way they behave and physical health. The following are examples of the impact stress and have a person behavior. Being a learner and recruited to interact with other people, do not eat or overeat, and something is difficult to control, be a smoker or smokes excessively extensive consumption of alcoholic behaviors, and abuse of narcotic drug. The following are health problems that arise from stress, sleep disturbance, thyroid, headache, stomach ache, there's pain or tension in the muscle, distress, sexual desire, obesity, hypertension, diabetes, heart problem. Many factors can cause a person to experience stress, some of which are financial problems, social relationship, or demands at work. To deal with stress, the key is identify the root cause and find a solution. Stress management can also be done by applying the advice suggested in good stress management, such as first learn to accept a problem that is difficult to overcome or a thing that cannot be changed. Always think positively and see that everything that happens in life has a lesson. Ask for advice from a trusted person to solve the problem you are experiencing. Learn to control yourself and always be active in finding solutions through physical activity, meditation, or relaxation techniques to relieve emotional tension and clear your mind. Learn to think that are calming and different that usual to increase self-confidence. Set aside time to the thing you love and in social activity to help others. This method can make a person more resilient in dealing with problems, especially if it can help someone who has more self problem that they avoid negative ways to relieve stress such as smoking, drinking excessively, or using drugs. Work by prioritizing quality, not quantity, so that time management is better and life is also more balanced. NCT disorder. NCT disorder is a physiological condition when a person experiences excessive anxiety constantly and is difficult to control, so that it has negative impact on his daily life. For some normal people, anxiety usually arises a certain event, for example, when they are about to face an exam to school or a job interview. But in people with anxiety disorders, this anxiety often arises in every situation. That's why people who experience this condition will find it difficult to feel relaxed from time to time. In addition to anxiety or excessive other physiological symptoms that can appear in people with anxiety disorders are reduced self-confidence, being irritable, stressed, difficult to concentrate, and being a loner. Meanwhile, physical symptoms that may accompany anxiety disorder include hard to sleep, body shaking, excessive sweating, muscles get tense, heartbeat, hard to breathe, tired, stomach or headache, dizzy, mouth feel dry, tingling. Although the exact cause of anxiety disorder is not known, several factors are thought to trigger the emergence of this condition. Among them are trauma due in intimidation, harassment, and violence in the external environment or family. Other risk factors include prolonged stress, gains in the herit from parents, and imbalance in the hormones serotonin and noradrenaline in the brain, which control mood. Anxiety disorder can also be treated by alcohol and drug abuse. In fact, anxiety disorder can be overcome without the help of a doctor in several ways, such as eating healthy, nutrition foods, getting enough sleep, reducing caffeine intake, alcoholing, beverage or other sedatives, not smoking, exercise regularly, and doing simple relaxation methods such as yoga or meditation. If such meditation does not provide a change, it is advisable to consult a doctor. Treatment from a doctor usually include the administration of anxiety drugs and conflict therapy. Depression. Depression is a mood disorder that causes us to feel sad all the time, in contrast to ordinary sadness, which generally lasts for a few days. Feeling or sadness in depression can last for weeks or months. In addition to affective feeling or emotion, depression can also cause physical problems, change the way you think, and change the way the sufferer behaves. It is not uncommon for people with depression to have difficulty carrying out normal daily activities, In some cases, they can even hurt themselves and try to commit suicide. The following are some of the psychological symptoms of someone experiencing depression. First, loss of interest or motivation to do something, constantly feeling sad, even crying constantly, feeling very guilty and worrying too much, unable to enjoy life due to loss of self-confidence, difficult to make decision and easily offended, not indifferent to other people, having thoughts of self-harm or suicide. The following are the even my depression or physical health that might occur: sleep disturb and body feeling weak, thoughts of more slowly change in the menstrual cycle in woman, libido down and experience drastically, feeling other or pain for no reason. There are various things that can trigger depression, ranging from stressful life event, losing a loved one, feeling lonely, to having a personality that is vulnerable to depression. In addition, depression experienced by a person can also be caused by suffering from severe and chronic illness such as cancer and heart problems, severe health injuries, the effects of excessive alcohol consumption and illegal drugs, to genetic factor in the family. It is advisable to consult a doctor if you feel symptoms to depression for more than 2 weeks and do not subside. Moreover, if the symptom of depression to interfere with the process of education, work, and social relationship. Treatment of depression by doctor will be adjusted to the severity of depression suffered by each patient. The form of treatment can be in the form of consultation, therapy, administration of antidepressant drug, or a combination of both. Okay, that's all for today's webinar. I'm back to moderate. Thank you.